we got our Delta Executor. As you can see, guys, it works amazing. So we got it for free, and also we got our NICU script and Forge Hub as we pre-selected. Hey your people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got the latest Delta Executor for my Roblox. Guys, it's fixed version and you will have no warnings for ban, or you cannot get banned because it's updated and it's newest Delta Executor. I will show you everything step by step how you can get this online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Just stick with me, guys, and you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices. It works perfectly for both devices. And guys, as I said, I will show you everything step by step how you can get this, and later we will test it. Does it actually work? So guys, first step is to go to Google or any browser you got and navigate to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily. Click on Delta Executor tool, and then we will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So guys, if you don't know how to find your Roblox user ID, just click here how to find it, or let me quickly show you. So go to roblox.com and go to your profile on roblox.com. Simply copy your profile URL. As you can see, this is my account. Just copy your Roblox URL and let's get back to this tool. So when you get back, just click here on this button here, click there, and it will automatically scrape only your user ID. So just click continue. And guys, it should search for our user account. As you can see, user found. It's really important to get. So guys, second step is to import our newest updated Delta Executor. So just click here, and guys, as you can see, our user account is connected. It's my avatar and it's my name, so you should get yours there. And guys, it's optional thing. So then we will select our Forge Hub and NICUs. It's the best scripts that you want to select to get pre-installed in your Delta Executor. Of course, if you want, it's optional, as I said. And the best scripts are Forge Hub, NICUs. Guys, also you have Reds Hub. You can do literally whatever you like. I selected these two, and let's click continue. So let's wait for this third step to load up. And as you can see, API is connecting. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials. I will record it more. So yeah, nice guys. API is connected now, and we got our activation key generated. Nice guys, it's for Delta Executor. So we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not robot, guys, and it should redirect us to the manual verification, and it's the last step until we receive our newest updated Delta Executor with key. So guys, we will have a list of 6 free tasks, and we will have to complete only 2 tasks from this list. So guys, you can complete literally whatever you like. You can download these small apps, you can download games, you can literally download from this list everything you like. And guys, you can also complete these simple questionnaires. It's really up to you what you like. So it's, as I said, really important just to complete 2 tasks from this list. So what will I do now? I will download TikTok and I will download Playful Rewards. So how will I do it? Just click free, just click go, and it will start downloading from Google Play or from App Store if you're using your iOS devices. So guys, it's all free and from the official publishers, so you don't have to worry. And it's really important to follow their instructions. So for TikTok, I will download and install this. Let me show you. I will download and install this, then run it for 30 seconds. And for Playful Rewards, I will download and install this, then play 3 games for 5 minutes each. So guys, that's pretty much it. What will I do now? See you when I complete these 2 tasks. And let's see what will happen and does it actually work.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this and this task from this list, as I said, TikTok and Playful Rewards, and I got this message. You completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text. Guys, I'm still waiting for about 1 minute and nothing happened. So let's see guys, will we actually get redirected? I won't skip this video. Nice guys, user ID connected and our Delta Executor key is now full and revealed. So guys, nice. Now we will open our Roblox and we will test, are we actually receiving our Delta Executor. So guys, let's play literally whatever. Let's click on block scripts, and let's see, are we actually getting our Delta Executor. So I will click whatever. So let's click Marines and nice, guys. There we go. We got our Delta Executor. As you can see, guys, it works amazing. So we got it for free, and also we got our NICU script and Forge Hub as we pre-selected. So let's click and let's see, guys, does it actually work? So yeah, nice. As you can see, this Delta Executor along these scripts working amazing. You can literally click on options and play with it. So as you can see, I enabled click teleport, and you can literally teleport whenever you like. Look at this, guys. It's just one of the literally ocean of options. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.